Alright you guys, welcome back to the channel, Old School Kings, OSK Media. And on today's vlog, we're gonna DIY the grill on the 95 Caprice. Yeah, we're gonna DIY it. Stay tuned. Alright, so what we're gonna do, I was gonna buy a grill, but man, I'm into DIY so much. I've been on YouTube so much, man, looking at stuff. I'm gonna actually attempt. Nah, I'm not gonna attempt, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna cut all this out. You know, basically this is the same frame as the aftermarket grills. You know, it's the same outline as the aftermarket grills. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get all this inside cut out. And once we cut out the inside, I got my little star, see the little star screws. See, my intentions were to keep the little screw slots where I can still use them to screw the new grill in. But we're gonna cut all this out and we're gonna recreate all of that back over again. So stay tuned and let's get this grill off. So I'm using this little star key wrench to get them on. Told y'all before, 1,500 subscribers. We're gonna work on the garage. It's kind of cool out here. Got the wind blowing. Get all this cleaned off and some primer on this. But sure I can use this to mark the holes that I need to screws back in there with. using a hacksaw to try to get the edges and stuff cleaned up. Got the edges looking pretty good. As soon as I find my wire snips, I can go in there and get a little closer. Alright, so as you see, I took the skill saw and I went around it. I took the hacksaw and knocked some of the edges off. The pieces that I couldn't reach, I grabbed some pliers. I grabbed some pliers and I broke off the pieces that I couldn't get to. So as I said, we're gonna take a file and we'll take a file and file down the rest of it. I think the only problem that I'm running into so far is the grill is not as strong. It's not as strong as it was. So I gotta reinforce it to strengthen it up. But you know, we're gonna make it do what it do. We're gonna make it happen. And turn this into a billet grill. Here. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna, you know, turn it into a billet grill. Get the inside gutted out. We're gonna sand it down, we're gonna prime it. We're gonna put the grill mesh material behind it. We're gonna see how it come out. Alright, so we're gonna leave this as a part 1 vlog because you know it's getting dark out here. So I'm not gonna finish the edges or whatever, but I still got to wait for the material to get here, the mesh to get here. And on the part 2 video, we're gonna finish the whole thing up. We're gonna go through the whole process, and we're gonna come up with a DIY billet grill, mesh grill, for 95 Caprice Impala. They also call it Cateye Grille. But stay tuned for the next vlog. Peace.